Children, this is the first chapter of English literature. Oliver Finds Happiness. This is a story written by Charles Dickens. In this, Oliver is an orphan. Orphan means a boy who has got no parents. Therefore, he was sent to an orphanage, and from there to a workhouse, and he was involved in a gang who was stealing things. Finally, he landed in the house of Mrs. Maylie. So this is how the story goes about. ये कहानी ऑलिवर नामक एक बच्चे की है जो अनाथ है, ऑर्फन। उसे अनाथालय अर्थात ऑर्फनेज भेजा जाता है। वहां से वो वर्क हाउस चला जाता है जहां उसकी संगत कुछ गलत लोगों से होती है जो चोरी करते हैं। वहां से भागने के सिलसिले में वो मिसेस मेरी के घर पहुंचता है जो उसे वहां रखती है और पाल पोस के बड़ा करती है। ये कहानी बहुत ही मशहूर कहानी है, चार्ल्स डिकेंस के द्वारा लिखी गई, Oliver Twist. So let's read the chapter now. Oh please, Dr. Osborne, will you come upstairs and look up at the poor creature? Rose begged. Of course, said the doctor. Will you show me the way, guys? Guys led the doctor to the patient. The doctor was absent for a long time, and a large flat box was fetched out of his carriage. The bell in the bedroom was ringing again and again. The servants were trying, and they went downstairs. At last the doctor came to the dining room to speak to the ladies. This is an extraordinary thing, Mrs. Maylie, she said. He is not in danger, I hope, the old lady said. No, he will be again in a week or two, the doctor informed them. And then he asked them, have you seen the thief? क्योंकि यहाँ पे ऑलिवर जो है, लोगों को लगा कि वो चोरी करने के इरादे से मिसेस मेली के घर में घुसा था। इससे डॉक्टर ऑसबॉर्न जो है, वो पहले उनको लगता है शायद यही चोर है। फिर डॉक्टर ऑसबॉर्न उनको बलि ऊपर जाते हैं। Would you like to see him if I come with you? Yes, I would like to. And I would like Rose to come as well, if she will. The doctor took the ladies upstairs to Guy's room and he pointed towards the bed. There lies the wicked thief, poor Avajo, to Sora. The two ladies looked. To their astonishment means surprise, they saw a child there fast asleep. वो गहरी नींद में सो रहा था। A mere child. His face was white. चेहरे का रंग उड़ा हुआ था। His wounded arm lay across his chest and his head rested on his other arm. एक हाथ उसके सीने पे था और दूसरे सर के पीछे वो आराम से सो रहा था। The ladies crept softly to his bed. Crept means moved. Miss Rose bent over him, and with a gentle hand she touched his hair from his forehead. The boy moved and smiled in his sleep as if felt her kindness. रोज जब उसके सर पे हाथ फेरती है और नींद में वो मुस्कुराता है। What can this mean? Mrs. Maylie asked. This poor child is no thief. He is so young. Let's go into the next room, Dr. Losman said to the ladies. We must not wake him up. Dr. Losman उनको दूसरे रूम ले जाते हैं और वहाँ पे बात वो होती है। Oh, there, Miss Rose continued. Thank you. Now think how young he is. Perhaps he has never known of mother's care. Miss Rose लगता है शायद कभी से माता पिता का प्यार नहीं मिला है और शायद इसीलिए इस तकलीफ में पहुँच गया है। Perhaps he has never had a home. शायद इसे कभी घर भी नहीं मिला। Poor boy. Oh, auntie, don't let them send this boy to the prison. My dear, said the old lady, do you think that I would harm one hair of his head? I haven't much longer to live. I must help all I can. What can I do to help this boy, Dr. Losborn? मिस रोज कहती है इसे जेल मत भेजिएगा, बहुत नादान सा लगता है. Let me think, the kind-hearted doctor said. For some moment he looked thoughtful and then he asked, "Can we trust the servants to say nothing about the boy?" Oh yes, Miss Mary said. क्यों नहीं? Servants को वही कहेंगे जो हम चाहेंगे. They will do as I tell them. But then, said the doctor, but first of all, let us hear what the boy has to say. If we find him innocent, then we will help him. But if we find him guilty, we must hand him over to the police. अगर वो कसूरवार है तो पुलिस को दिया जाएगा, अर्थात गिल्टी है तो पुलिस को हैंड ओवर किया जाएगा. लेकिन अगर वो इनोसेंट है, कसूरवार नहीं है, तो उसे हम बचाएंगे. Do you agree? डॉक्टर जो आपको तैयार है इस बात के लिए? The two ladies readily agreed, for they were sure that Oliver was innocent. दोनों ladies बोला कि नहीं, Oliver कभी ऐसा काम कर ही नहीं सकता. Oliver slept on for many hours. In the evening when he woke up, he was very weak, but he was anxious, means worried, to tell his story. The ladies wept as they heard of his miserable life. Miserable means बहुत कठिन घड़ी से गुजरा हो, तकलीफ से भरा हुआ. उसी कहानी सुनकर दोनों ladies की आंखों में आंसू आ जाते हैं. The kind-hearted doctor tried hard to hide his tears. They did their best to comfort the boy. And Oliver slept that night and smile on his lips. He had found a home. उस रात ऑलिवर बड़े आराम से सोया था. उसके चेहरे पे मुस्कुराहट थी. आज पहली बार उसे घर नसीब हुआ, अपना. When the police came to ask questions, Miss Giles and Bittles were ready with their story. Oliver had accidentally wounded himself while playing with the gun. जब पुलिस आए तो उन्होंने कहा, भाई ये गन से खेला था, अचानक उसको चोट लगी, गोली लग गई थी, बस. He had nothing to do with the robbery. ये चोर नहीं है, उसने चोरी नहीं कुछ किया. The house breakers were two evil-looking men. हाँ, जो चोरी करने आए थे वो evil-looking थे, वो बदमाश थे. The servants, with the help of Dr. Losborn, told the whole story. The police believed them and went away. और इस तरह से पुलिस चली जाती है. Oliver found love and kindness. Indeed, Mrs. Miley and Miss Rose loved the boy. So did kind-hearted Dr. Losborn. At the beginning of springtime, spring कहते हैं बसंत ऋतु में, उन लोगों ने ऑलिवर को अपने फार्म हाउस में ले गए, जो शहर से थोड़ा दूर था, to the country. There the fruits trees were blossomed, the garden, the fields were full of flowers, and Oliver had never known such peace and such happiness. चारों तरफ फूल, बगीचे, फल, बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा था ऑलिवर उस जगह पे. और हर सुबह, every morning, Oliver went to an old gentleman who taught him read to write. हर दिन उसे एक मास्टर साहब के पास भेजा जाता था कि उन्हें लिखना पढ़ना सिखा रहे थे. He went for a walk with Rose and Mrs. Maylie. शाम के वक्त रोज और मेली के साथ टहलने भी जाता था. They sat together and talked, or Rose read about to them. Often Rose played the piano, और शाम के वक्त पियानो या आपस में बातचीत करके वो समय बिताते थे. So did Oliver, and every night he slept peacefully in a clean bed in his own room. और हर रात वो चैन के साथ अपने रूम में, ओन रूम में सोया करता था. और इस तरह से ऑलिवर को एक नई जिंदगी मिली थी. ये कहानी थी ऑलिवर की. अगर आप ज़्यादा पढ़ना चाहते हैं तो ऑलिवर ट्विस्ट की स्टोरीज पढ़िए, विस्तार से जानने के लिए. थैंक यू. टेक केयर ऑफ सेल्फ. बी एट होम.